Hi guys and welcome to my channel Arabic with me Rana and Facebook page. Today we will have the sentence in English when you want to ask someone what would you like to drink, or what would you like to eat, or what would you like to whatever. So most of the times we will say what would you like to drink or what would you like to eat. So let's begin with the spoken Arabic and then we will go to the standard Arabic. In the spoken Arabic, it's going to be the first one, and I will tell you the differences if there is any difference. So let's start with the first one. In the spoken Arabic, we would say شو بتحب. شو بتحب. If I'm speaking to a guy, شو بتحب, and then تشرب. شو بتحب تشرب. شو بتحب تشرب. What would you like to drink? So this is literally شو, which is what? بتحب, you like, and then تشرب, which is you drink. So what would you like to drink? شو بتحب تشرب. If you are asking again a guy, what would you like to eat? So you would tell him, you would ask him, شو بتحب تاكل. شو بتحب تاكل. تاكل is you eat, you masculine eat. So in this case, شو بتحب تشرب. شو بتحب تاكل. If you are speaking to a female, you would make it شو بتحبي تشربي, and شو بتحبي تاكلي. شو بتحبي تشربي. شو بتحبي تاكلي. شو بتحبي تشربي رنا؟ قهوة شكرا. So, and for example, you would say شو بتحبي تاكلي رنا. شو بتحبي تاكلي رنا؟ كبسة. So this is how would we say it. This is how would we ask it. For example, if you are speaking to a bunch of people, شو بتحبوا تشربوا. شو بتحبوا تاكلوا. شو بتحبوا تشربوا. شو بتحبوا تاكلوا. And this is it. This is the first one. The first expression on how to say what would you like to drink or what would you like to eat. The next one is, for example, if you are like sitting around and having a conversation. So for example, your friend told you, شو عبالك. عبالك. بال is the mind. So شو عبالك, I'm speaking to a guy. شو عبالك تشرب, like what's on your mind to drink, means like what would you like to drink. شو عبالك تشرب. شو عبالك تاكل. If you are speaking to a girl, شو عبالك تشربي. شو عبالك تاكلي. And if you are speaking to a bunch of people, شو عبالكن تشربوا. شو عبالكن تاكلوا. So this is what it means when you are speaking like bal, and when you are using bal. Bal means literally the mind. Bal. So this is again, this is the spoken Arabic. Spoken Arabic. Always remember, this is the spoken Arabic. Next one is going to be شو بدك تشرب. شو بدك تشرب. This is a little bit informal, so between like really friends. So شو بدك تشرب, or between the dad and the daughter, mom and the daughter, etc. So شو بدك. شو بدك تشربي, or شو بدك تشرب. If you are speaking to a guy, شو بدك تشرب. If you are speaking to a girl, شو بدك تشربي, what would you like to drink. So literally here بدك and بدك and بدكن means you want. So what would you want to drink? What do you want to drink in this case? What do you want to eat? شو بدك تاكل. شو بدك تاكلي. شو بدكن تاكلوا. This is what it means. And the next one is going to be, for example, if you are in a restaurant, the restaurant like between the waiter and the customer, there is a little bit like a formal conversation. So they would ask you شو بتريد. Either they would tell you شو بتحب, what you like to drink or eat, or they would tell you شو بتريد. شو بتريد تشرب. شو بتريد تشرب. What would you want? But this want coming from the standard Arabic, which means to also want, but comes from the standard Arabic, makes it a little bit formal way of the conversation. So شو بتريد تشرب, you are speaking to a guy. شو بتريد تاكل. If you are speaking to a female, you would tell her شو بتريدي تشربي, or شو بتريدي تاكلي. Speaking to a bunch of people, شو بتريدوا تشربوا. شو بتريدوا تاكلوا. And this is it. The next one and the last one is between like really friends. So your relationship is a little bit strong. So stronger than the formal way. It's going to be شو مشتهي تاكل. مشتهي is the person who is craving for. So, but we don't really make it like craving for something. No, it's not like that. It's like, what do you like or what would you like to eat? So, شو مشتهي تاكل if you are speaking to a guy. شو مشتهي تشرب. If you are speaking to a girl, شو مشتهية. It has the circle T at the end, means that this thing is an adjective or a noun. So شو مشتهية تاكلي. شو مشتهية تشربي. If you are speaking to a bunch of people, شو مشتهيين تاكلوا. شو مشتهيين تشربوا. And this is it for the spoken Arabic. That's enough. يعني that's it. This is all about the spoken Arabic. Now let's go into the standard Arabic. We have some of them in the standard Arabic. So let's begin. The first one in the standard Arabic is going to be ماذا, which is what? ماذا تحب. So if I'm speaking to a guy, ماذا تحب أن تأكل. ماذا تحب أن تأكل. ماذا تحبين أن تأكلي. ماذا تحبون أن تأكلوا. So this is what would you like to eat. Or if it was drinking, what would you like to drink. ماذا تحب أن تشرب. ماذا تحبين أن تشربي. ماذا تحبون أن تشربوا. And this is يحب or يحب or تحب or any conjugation. It means to like or to love. What would you like to drink or what would you like to eat. So this is it for the first thing in the standard Arabic. The next one is going to be from ماذا تود. ماذا تود أن تأكل. This is like literally more polite. And ماذا تود أن تأكل. What would you like to eat. ماذا تودين أن تأكلي. ماذا تودون أن تأكلوا. And this is for يود. هو يود. He likes. He would like to. And this is the second one. How about the next one? The next one is going to be ماذا تريد أن تأكل. ماذا تريدين أن تأكلي. ماذا تريدون أن تأكلوا. And this means literally هو يريد, which means he wants. He wants something. هو يريد. هو يريد. And next one is ماذا ترغب أن تأكل. In this case, ترغب or يرغب, it comes from the word رغبة. And رغبة means the desire. Like, what's your desire for eating? Like, what would you like to? So, what would you like to eat? So, ماذا ترغب أن تأكل. ماذا ترغبين أن تأكلي. And ماذا ترغبون أن تأكلوا. This is it. This is all about this video. This is it about the standard Arabic. Now you know how to make what would you like to eat or drink or do anything in the standard and in the spoken way in the Levantine Shami dialect. So this is all about this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, again, like. So hit the like button. Share it with your friends, especially those people, those students who are learning the Arabic language and also the Levantine Shami dialect. Again, do not forget to comment if you like it. If you have any suggestions, recommendations, or any questions, please also comment below or message me to the messages. Also, do not forget to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe because we have some vlogs there that are so nice and lovely. So that's all about this video and I will see you in the next video.